Hey, this is Mr. Goliath, and today we're looking at Screencast-o-matic. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click the sign up button. And once you do that, click the login with Google button. And once you do that, then you can put in, select your account, click create account. Make sure you agree to the terms, then click create account. Then it's going to bring you to the start recorder option, and you're going to want to click start recorder. And it's going to launch a recorder. You can see down towards the bottom, it's saying launching recorder. And this part is going to take up a little bit of time. Now it finally does say that I launched the recorder. It says recorder will appear in a second. Now, for some of you, you're going to have to download it on your first time. And then once you download it, this option is going to pop up. But for me, mine is now ready to go. You can see the box that is here. It shows what I'm going to be recording. If I want to key in on a smaller area, I can do that. For example, I'm going to make a quick one on using voice typing in Google and just the directions. So now I would just hit the record button. It'll give me a countdown once it's ready to go. At least it should soon. And while it's doing that, I'm going to bring this in just a little. Here comes my countdown. And you can see the clock is ticking up here. And I could just walk through the steps. The first one is to check that your microphone works. Then you want to open a doc in Google Docs with the Chrome browser. It has to be Chrome or it won't work. Then click on Tools and then Voice Typing. And when you're ready, you'll just click the Speak button and the microphone will actually work. And you can just talk the same way you would with your phone. So let's say I'm done with my recording. I hit the pause button. If I wanted to add on more, I could by just hitting record and it'll keep going. If not, I'm done and I'm ready to actually publish this. I prefer to use everything on YouTube because anything other than YouTube, when the kiddos try to get to it, it's super slow. So I'm clicking where it says title and I'm going to rename it Google Voice to type. And then I'll click publish. And you'll see that it is in fact publishing. And let's see where we're at. Publishing a little on the slow side, but it will take a little time to upload. Next, it has published all the way. So I'm going to hit copy link and then I'm able to hit done. And now what I'm going to do is the same thing you guys are going to do. Once you have that link, you need to either email it to yourself, or in our case, we're going to post it in the Google Classroom, and let me show you what I mean. So in our case, we're just below our screencasting outline today as a comment. I'm going to click, and then I'm going to post it. Click the post button, and the comment is there. So then if I click on my link, it'll actually go straight to my YouTube. And here it is. It's posted on YouTube. The title comes up, Google to Voice typing, and it may still be processing, but this thing is done and it's uploaded and it's ready to go. So that is going to be your challenge that you're going to be doing, is trying to post your first video to YouTube, and then if you could share it out, and you'll be up and running with Screencast. So if you have any questions, let me know. But in the meantime, I wish you good luck.